How to delete account on FireKirin. First of all, go to your preferred browser and in the search bar type FireKirin customer support. From the results, click on the official FireKirin support link. This will take you to the page where you can reach your customer service team. On the support page, you will find options to submit a request or fill out a form. Enter your first name, last name, email address, phone number, and photo ID. In the message or request box, clearly state that you want to delete your FireKirin account permanently. Once you have filled out all the required information, click Submit to send your request. You will then receive a confirmation via email or SMS from FireKirin support. Follow the instructions provided to complete the deletion process. After verification, your FireKirin account will be permanently deleted and you will no longer have access to the game with that account. Now you know how to delete your FireKirin account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.